In a vast, verdant meadow, there lived a tiny gnat named Gnat. Though small, Gnat had an indomitable spirit. One hot, sunny day, Gnat noticed a drop of water on the tip of a blade of grass. It shimmered in the sunlight, capturing Gnat's attention. "I must drink that drop," thought Gnat. "But it's so high up." Despite the challenges, Gnat set out on a journey, determined to reach the drop of water. The tall grass swayed as Gnat fluttered through, undeterred by the obstacles. Gnat encountered many friends along the way, each struggling with their own challenges. A caterpillar trapped in a cocoon, a spider stuck in a web, a butterfly tangled in a flower. Gnat offered words of encouragement to all. "You too can overcome your challenges," Gnat said, inspiring them with his determination. Finally, Gnat reached the drop of water. It seemed so small, yet it had been Gnat's goal from the start. Gnat took a sip and felt a sense of accomplishment. "I did it!" Gnat exclaimed, feeling proud of his achievement. From that day on, Gnat became a symbol of resilience and determination for all the creatures in the meadow. He taught them that no challenge is too big if you have the will to overcome it. Moral asterisk: no matter how small or insignificant you may think you are, you have the power within you to overcome your challenges and make a difference.